The first thing you can do for waltz is we're gonna play on the A string, we're gonna play C natural, and then I'm gonna say the word tap, and when I say tap, you're gonna tap your third finger, that D, and it's gonna be so quick, like, oops, like, ah, like a hot stove or something that you're touching. So you're just gonna do one bow, so start with that C natural, and then when I say tap, tap it, tap, and then bow off. Do it again, retake your bow, tap, retake your bow, tap. Slow bows, fast fingers. Tap, tap. So just make sure you're not doing, okay. And then like I would just do that a whole bunch of times, always retaking your bow, slow bows. Okay, let's do a good old F major 1-octave scale. Minuet 1 is also a really good piece to review for this. So go ahead and play Minuet 1 right now and pause the video. Okay, welcome back. Hopefully you just played Minuet 1. Oh gosh, the other thing that's really good to do is etude with slurs. Slow bow is careful on the string crossings. So go ahead and pause the video and do that right now. Welcome back. Was that fun playing etude that way? It's different, right? Okay, let's do a couple smiles. And then let's do some thumb squeezes. So I like to do this on the shoulder and just like squeeze. Okay, one last little prep thing. Oh yeah, I need to put something on my bow. Oh good, I have a little Sharky here. Hopefully you'll be able to see it, okay, with my angle. Watch what my shark does on this little part here. We started here and he's getting bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger. Watch one more time, and now I'm going to really emphasize what I want the elbow to do here. So smiles with the elbow getting bigger and bigger. And you could bend your knees on every, or like do this, on every down bow. And it's the down bows that get it's the up bows that need to be faster and lighter, because you have to travel the same amount of distance. You want to keep coming back to where you started, but you have a dotted quarter followed by an eighth note. So that's 2 beats. 1 and 2 and 3 and... So just kind of like we practice in the... You want that up to be fast but not loud. Okay, that is all the prep. So let's just play it. And I'll be yelling stuff out. Okay, so right off the bat, don't use too much bow on the... Don't do... start kind of in the lower half, quiet. 1 and 2 and 3. Get louder here. Here's that prep spot. Getting quiet there. 2, 3. Hop third. That's kind of a weird thing there. We'll talk about that at the end. Let me start there again. Up, up. Repeat. Getting louder. Getting quieter. Getting quiet. Now here's the shark part. Smiles with your elbow. Getting bigger and bigger. And that A there, that is like the reason you play violin, is that A. Getting very quiet, fourth finger. Back to our main theme. Repeat to the shark part. Getting bigger and bigger. Smile with your elbow. Maybe hold on to that note just a little too long. Back to quiet. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1 and 2 and 3 and 3 and you can slow down the last time through. So that little I should make a prep spot out of that. So here, I'll make a prep spot out of it. It's up bow, third finger on D, to up bow, third finger on A. And you have to hop the third. Like you can't just go, or at least I'm not gonna let you do that. So you could practice as stop slurs. And then once you get comfortable with that, with the hopping, see how little of a break you can take. So it's not really a stop slur, it's not really a smooth slur, it's somewhere in between. And then once you've done that a million times, you will slow the bow down a little bit, like, or stop the bow for like a half. It's really, no, it's like really slowing the bow down a lot for just a millisecond during that hop. But you want to do it so quickly and so swiftly that you don't hear it, that it doesn't sound like a stop slur there. Okay, and that's Waltz.